welcome to the Little Wondering Minds. Do subscribe us to get the daily updates of fun learning and quizzes.
Water and its uses. All living things need water to survive, to live, and to grow, be it humans, animals, or plants. We need water on a daily basis for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, cleaning, brushing our teeth, washing the utensils, washing hands, washing the vehicles, swimming, farming, industrial use. Animals need water to drink. Plants need water to grow and survive. Water is precious. Do not waste water. There are many ways to save the water. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Take a shorter bath. Don't waste the water. Turn off the tap while applying the soap during bathing. Turn off the tap properly after each use. Do not flush tissue, paper, or waste into the toilet. With our small efforts, we can save the water and save the planet.